Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Jazz front brake pads. First, gather all your tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a 12mm socket. Always ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface with the engine off. Remember to open the brake fluid reservoir cap under the bonnet. This prevents fluid overflow when we compress the caliper piston later. Finally, slightly loosen the front wheel lug nuts before raising the vehicle. Now, safely raise the front of your car using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Once stable, remove the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Locate the lower 12mm caliper mounting bolt and unscrew it. Carefully pivot the entire caliper assembly upwards and secure it with a piece of wire so it doesn't hang by the brake hose. You can now easily remove the old inner and outer brake pads from the caliper bracket. Before installing the new pads, thoroughly clean the caliper bracket and apply a thin layer of brake grease to all contact points. Next, use a C-clamp or a specialized brake piston tool to slowly compress the caliper piston back into its bore. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Attach any new shims to your new brake pads, then carefully slide the new inner and outer pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they are seated correctly. With the new pads in place, swing the caliper back down over them. Reinstall and tighten the lower 12mm caliper bolt to 23 Nm. Reattach the wheel, tightening the lug nuts in a star pattern to 108 Nm. Lower your vehicle and remove the jack stands. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. Finally, check your brake fluid reservoir and top up with DOT3 or DOT4 fluid if the level is below the maximum mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.